Hi there everyone! I'm Savannah Swenson, Great Clip Stylist here in the Minneapolis market, and today I want us to jump into learning about Quick Dry Pre-Styler from Solutions by Great Clips. Quick Dry Pre-Styler is a hair and style primer. What's a hair primer, you ask? It's a lightweight, leave-in styling product that makes hair styling easier, reduces drying time, and provides a base for all of your other styling products. Hair primers create a protective shield, giving the hair a smoother, more polished look to any hairstyle. This Quick Dry Pre-Styler has UV protectants that protect the hair from heat damage, speeds up drying time, and helps reduce breakage and frizz. It also softens, moisturizes, and detangles, all in a color-safe formula. It's so easy to use. Spray it on wet, damp, or towel-dried hair, and do not rinse out. Rake it through the hair and style or layer another styling product over it. Then either allow the look to air dry for a natural look or use a blow dryer for a styled, finished look. It is also great for those customers who are wearing their curls naturally and do not wash their hair daily. It can be used upon waking by first brushing hair out and then applying it. It has styling properties to shape their hair into the desired style. This pre-styler can be used daily on all hair types and textures, and it is needed for those with dry, long, breakage-prone, damaged, or color-treated hair. Thanks for learning more about Quick Dry Pre-Styler. For more information on this product, visit the Resource Center on the Salon Innovations website. Hover over the Educations tab and select Product Knowledge. Make sure to leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to be updated when we upload next. Until next time, happy styling.